And today we're making a spinach chana dal. I haven't met a person that didn't like their dal and rice. This is comfort food personified. This chana dal is extra special because it's fortified with spinach, which gives you additional nutrients. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm using 1 cup of chana dal. This must be soaked for minimum 3 hours to overnight, and then I'm going to drain it, wash it, and drain it again. The best way, of course, is to cook this dal in a pressure cooker. If you don't have one, you can just use a regular pot with a heavy lid, but it's just going to take a lot longer. I'm going to add some oil to my pot, and once this is nice and hot, I'm going to start with the tempering. Now this is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. This is what's going to flavor the oil. Next, I'm going to add a ½ cup of onion that I've sliced. I'm going to allow the onion to sweat and then caramelize. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies, and I'm just going to allow this to sizzle all together. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste, and I'm just going to saute this to remove that raw flavor. By the way, I always grind up my own ginger and garlic paste. I usually just grind them separately, about 4 to 8 ounces at a time, and I just use it up within the week. But you can totally buy store-bought if you want to. Now for the powdered spices, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of turmeric and a ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix this well, and before the spices burn, I'm going to go in with the tomatoes. I have 2 cups here of diced tomatoes. Now I haven't diced these too small since the pressure cooker is practically going to do all the work for me. But if you're not using a pressure cooker, I would suggest dicing them a bit finer. Next, I'm going to add in the chana dal and 2 cups of water. I'm going to mix this well, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. While this is heating up, I'm just going to clear up, and then I'm going to close my pressure cooker and add the pressure cooker regulator. I just like to call it the stopper. Now you're probably thinking, Karen, you forgot the spinach. No, I didn't. If you add the spinach too early, it will totally destroy all the nutrients. I'm going to patiently wait for my pressure cooker to build steam, and when it's ready, it's going to release the steam, or what we call the whistle, like this. Now, if you were cooking regular dal, that is orange dal or masoor dal, 1 whistle would be enough, but chana dal needs at least 2 whistles. I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to allow the pressure to dissipate before I can open up my pressure cooker. It is not safe to open up your pressure cooker too early. Now this is looking amazing. I'm going to taste for salt, and it's perfect. Finally, I'm going to add 2 cups of the shredded spinach straight into my dal, and I'm going to allow it to cook just for a few minutes. Give this a quick stir and this is ready to eat. Chana dal is high in fiber, it's low in cholesterol, and it's really good for you. Now there's a lot of other health benefits. Just Google it and be amazed. This can be eaten with rice or roti. It's perfect paired with meat, fish, chicken, or even other veggies. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe for spinach chana dal. It's super delicious and very nutritious and really good for you. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I hope that you can help me get there. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye.